two types of verbs in Russian language. If you look at the picture and the video, you will see type number 1 and type number 2. Okay, what changes the ending of the verb? You look at the type and you see делать, at, and soft sign up here, t, and soft sign here, and e, t, and soft sign up here. So the difference is how they are conjugated. This is the infinitive of the verb. This is the infinitive of the verb. And what is infinitive? Infinitive is the first, or yeah, basically the form of the verb that you find in the dictionary. The main form. But we do not talk only in infinitives. We use conjugated verbs in Russian language and in some other languages too. So what changes the ending of the verb and how you change it? What changes the ending? It's a pronoun. So what is the pronoun? Pronoun in Russian is the same as in English. It's something that you use instead of a noun. Я or I, ты, you, он, he, она, she, мы, we, вы, you, plural or you polite form, and они, they. And if you notice, as soon as you start using it, you see the ending is changing. Я делаю. So you cut the part in the first type of the verb. Yes, right here. And then you take the main part of the verb and you add the ending. So if you look at the я, you will see that how you change it. You take the main part of the verb дела and add you. Ты, and here is a little bit trickier in a way, because starting from here you will see that you have ye, big ye, which means that this part is the same for all the pronouns. Ты делаешь. Он or она делает. Мы делаем. Вы делаете. Они делают. Okay, let's try to create our own conjugate the verb by ourselves. Okay, we see the model up here. We know how to change the ending according to the pronouns that are up here. And let's take a verb. Define if this verb is in the first conjugation, first type of the verbs, and then we can conjugate it. So let's take this one. Думать. Думать. The verb думать. Let's see what is there. Думать. Yes, it is думать, which means in Russian to see. Okay, думать. To think. I'm sorry. To think. Okay. I think, you think. So let's try to say it in Russian with the correct form. Okay. Okay, we know the principle. We take the word думать, we cut the ending t, and we know that that's what we do. We get rid of t, of the ending of the infinitive, and we get the main part of the verb. So that's what we're gonna work with. Then you look at the ending, думаю, я делаю, so it will be я думаю. Ты дума, and you know that should be ешь. Let's see. Yes, ты думаешь. So it's the same as this, right? Он, она, it's going to be думает. Let's see. Он, она думает. So this would be here, right? Делает, мы делаем. Он, она делает. Okay. Он думает, она думает. So this endings belong to this pronoun. So to она in the first form, yet belongs. Okay. Мы, we думаем. Мы думаем. Вы думаете. Okay, let's see. Вы думаете. That's correct. And они, a little bit different from this one from the above. It doesn't have it has ют. Они думают. So if you look at this pattern is true for all the verbs that you see here. So you conjugate all the verbs that you see here very simply. It's a first type, again, I repeat, it's a first type, at or sometimes yet. So you cut off t. You take the main part of the verb and you conjugate. So знать will be я знаю, ты знаешь, to know. Он знает, она знает, оно знает, мы знаем, вы знаете, они знают. I hope that was pretty much understandable. If you still have questions or doubts, please email me. I'm always available. You can always ask me questions how to do that. Please try to conjugate all the verbs that you see here, and they're all related to the first type. And about second type, we can talk next time. Goodbye.